Hey guys, this is Kim with Wisdom Healing Tree, and today we're going to do a pendulum reading on timelines. Let's get started. Did we just have a big timeline jump this week? Yes, thank you. Are we going to be able to tell that we're on a new timeline? Yes. Thank you. Is it a more positive timeline? Yes. Thank you. Being on this new timeline, will it lift our vibration even higher? Yes. Thank you. Will more truths about our history come out with this new timeline? Yes. And will more truths come out about what's going on in our government? Yes. Thank you. This is going to be all of the questions for the day. If you have any comments, put them in the comment section. And remember, this is for entertainment purposes only. Have a great day, guys.